What up, folks? I'm Timothy, and I'll show you the proper costume in biking. You must have shin guard for your knee protection, and this one, scarf, for your neck protection for the sun, harmful radiant, and this one, the gloves, protecting you from this one, the handle, because sometimes it make you kalyo, kalyos. And when you semplang, you can depend this. And about this one, you can use this for your enemy. Okay? And this shield, these shades, it protects me from the sun, from the hot sun. And that's the proper way of biking.